Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I got my Sephora order and in it was a sample of the ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint. Now, I have never been one for tinted moisturizers, tinted serums, tinted anything. Like, I'm a full face makeup kind of gal, but I love the idea of using products that just like melt into the skin to give you like a beautiful natural look, even if you're wearing 20 products. So I went ahead and I bought a full bottle of this and I've been using it for a couple weeks. At first I was like, meh, pass, but then I kind of stuck with it and just really worked on different ways to apply it. And I have to say, like, I really like this product. What I'm gonna do is walk you guys through a full review that includes my application as well as some like tricks I've learned along the way on how to get like the perfect look. I'm also gonna show you how powder products apply over this, because if you're like me and you like your makeup products and maybe don't wanna just walk out the door with this skin tint on your face like you want the full deal, it's like it plays really nicely with other products. The serum comes with a lot of claims, and honestly, I found them to be true, but what I'm most impressed about is the fact that SPF 40 protects your skin against blue light. And of course, it's also free of all the bad stuff, and I love the fact that it is cruelty-free and vegan. I got the shade Diaz, which is a light medium with neutral undertones, and at first I was like, this is way too light, but then I noticed on the package they say that it does self-adjust to its true color after 1 minute, so keep that in mind when you're picking your shade, and don't panic if when you first apply it you think, oh my gosh, there's no way this is going to match my skin tone, because it will self-adjust. So to start, I just give it a good shake. Now, they recommend using half a dropper. I found that was way too much product, so I scaled back to about 4 to 5 drops, and I like to apply it in sections. So I start by gently massaging it into the skin, working it into the chin area, around my nose, and then really blending it and massaging it into my cheekbone area, because I want to make sure, obviously, I'm giving it time to sink into the skin. Now keep in mind, I am not using a primer with this product, and it still performed beautifully. From there, I'll take about 2 more drops to apply to my forehead, basically doing the same motion that I did before, which is massaging it really well into the skin, taking it up into the hairline, and just making sure it's really well blended. I also like to use it as an eyelid primer. It works really well as a base for my eyeshadow, but it's this third step that really made me fall in love with this product. I figured out really quickly that it just didn't look good on my pores, so I take an additional 1 drop and I just pat the product directly into my pores, and it does a beautiful job of filling them in just to give you that like poreless look. And then whatever product is left on my finger, I just use it to spot conceal. You know, like there's certain areas on my face that have a little bit more redness. And those steps combined just give me a really flawless, perfect, uniform look. From there, I use my own powder, the Cover FX Translucent, tiny amount on my brush just to set the product on my lids, and then I also do the same for my nose. I like to pat it in with the brush just so I'm not disturbing the product underneath or moving it around, and then again just using a little bit of powder on the chin area just to take down some of that shine without obliterating the glow. Now obviously this product is extremely dewy and glowy. Like, I'm not wearing any highlighter whatsoever on my face. All the glow and the dew you're seeing is from this serum. So definitely be judicious about your use of highlighter unless you want to like blow somebody's corneas out. Now I also did a flash test just to see, like, because it has that SPF 40, I wanted to know if it would have any type of white cast in photographs, and it really didn't. It photographed beautifully. So now I'm going to show you how I applied the rest of my makeup on top of the serum, because if you're like me and you like a full face of makeup, I'm going to show you exactly how those products played with this serum. It played really, really well. When I went to apply my eyeshadow, it literally did not skip. There was no patchiness. It just blended into my lid beautifully as usual. And even when I went to apply my eyeliner, I found that it just went on flawlessly. There was no skipping, it wasn't fading, and my mascara never transferred where I didn't want it to. Now, as I was putting on my concealer, I definitely noticed that it blended in well, no issues there. And then when it came to powder products, I just stamped in my blush and my bronzer, and I didn't have any issues whatsoever. Now, obviously, I was stamping rather than using a sweeping motion because I didn't want to disturb the serum and have the potential of sliding it across my face. And then I just set my face with my primer water from Smashbox. And again, this is what it looks like with all the products layered on top of this serum. Again, there's no patchiness, everything blended beautifully. It just looked amazing.
Now, to give you guys some perspective in terms of how long I've had this product on today, like what time is it? Okay, so I have had this on for almost 12 hours and it just still looks absolutely flawless. It is not broken down, it is not separated, it is not caked up in weird places or settled into lines. And now, one thing I will say, regardless of whether you're using just a regular foundation or a tinted anything, obviously the key to getting a flawless look is making sure your skin is in really good condition. Now, I had terrible cystic acne in my 20s and 30s, so I'm gonna link above a video to my updated skincare routine because I'm telling you guys, like once I started using these products, it changed the game for me. I'm 42, I'm about to turn 43, and my skin has never looked better. Okay guys, so that is it for my review of the ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint, and definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you've used this product, let me know what your experience with it has been, because overall, like I said, in terms of how it melts into the skin, how it wears throughout the day, and how it performs with other products, I am so impressed. And I have never really tried tinted moisturizers or serums before because I just always felt underwhelmed by them. And between all those things I just mentioned, plus like the flawless coverage it gives you, I really, really like it. But in any event, thank you guys so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!